Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a true restored 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS Super Sport hardtop. It's got a 396 big block V8, a 4-speed manual, and is painted in Ermine white on blue interior. All right, we'll start here at the back. We'll walk around. We got the trunk lid open here, so look how nice it is underneath, all painted nicely. It's even got the jacking instructions there, and then inside we got this massive trunk. It's painted in the spackle coating, as you can see, solid trunk. Look how great that is. And we'll go ahead and close up the trunk lid, and we'll zoom out. You can see the roof, beautiful. The blue interior, check that out. Wow, striking with the white combination. Paint is just phenomenal. All the bright work looks great. You see the tail lights, the trim, Chevrolet SS Impala, and let's take a look underneath. All detailed nicely. Even got the fuel door here. Backup lights in the bumper. I do see a little imperfection on that chrome there. Check this out. Here's our wheels. So it's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs on the 14-inch SS wheel covers. It's a 225/70 R14 in the rear. We got dual exhaust, so you got each side coming out. We'll take a look underneath. Actually, let's check out the wheels first, and we'll go around when the doors are shut. Here's our front wheel. So the front wheel is a 205/70 R14. All right, let's check out the interior next. So got this beautiful blue interior. You can see the beautiful deluxe door panel. Look at the chrome. The windows work great up and down. Even the latches. Show you underneath. The weather stripping looks good. Solid doors. Show you the jams. Nice and tidy. Your body by Fisher kick plate. Let's fold this seat down. We'll show you the rear seat. So a bench seat in the rear with the blue. And we got the Impala in between there. Check out the package tray. That looks beautiful. We got the lights back here. And here's our headliner, nice and tight. The visors. Here's our front seat folded down. It's got bucket seats, of course. We got the rubber floor mats. Oh, I just seen a little water from the washing. Even got the armrest with the ashtrays back there. The matching floor mats up front. The blue seat belts. Look at these blue vinyl seats. Looking great. And we got the center console, and of course the 4-speed. You got the Impala SS. Let's see if I can open it up. A little tricky with one hand. That doesn't, oh, there we go. So that folds down. We got the original sticker there, the light inside. What do we got here? We got the book, owner's manual for the plan there. All right, we'll close up the door. It's a hardtop. Let's just roll this window down. So you can see no posts. Fling my hand there. Look how clean that look is when the window is down. All right, let's go back underneath again. So I'll show you underneath. Look how nice and clean it is. There's your exhaust. It looks great. What do we got for mufflers? I think they're Magnaflows. Maybe. Yeah, Magnaflows with the dual exhaust, all painted black underneath. All right, we got the Super Sport on the fender and the script. We got the trim there. And of course the 396 turbojet at the front. Headlights, we got the T3s, and look at this beautiful grille. Chevrolet Impala SS. Chrome looks great. Let's show you underneath the hood. So it's painted in the correct black, even the engine bay. Here it is. It's a numbers matching 396 turbojet, 325 horsepower V8. It's a big block, and it's a 4-speed car as well. So numbers matching motor. We got power steering as well. Engine runs real nice. We'll start it up in a bit and close up the hood here. show you the paint. Look at this, beautiful. We just finished 5-stage polishing it. We wet sanded it, did our thing, so you can see how wonderful the paint is. The badge in here, I'll show you underneath as well. There we go, so all detailed underneath. All right, I want to come back here. I did see a little flaw in the paint on the quarter panel back here. If I can find it now. Oh, there's a little bit of marks there in the paint. And on the hood, I seen another one, but you can see up on the roof there how great it looks. All the trim around the bright work around the window. There's a little mark there in the hood. And I seen another little, tiny little mark there. And maybe one little one there, and that's probably your biggest one there. It's kind of a spider crack there. All right, let's check out the wheels on this side. The last one there. All right, let's check out the interior next. So we got our door jambs here. You can see it looking great. Door panel, it looks like new. Door jambs, oh, there's our VIN plate. Oh, great. Back seat here. Got the matching mats there. Here's the front seats from the rear. How cool is it to have bucket seats? And then we got our dash. Even our dash is nice. I don't see any cracks in it. And we got all the pedals matching. We got the seat belts. All right, we'll jump in. Okay, let's check out the steering wheel. It looks great. No cracks in it. We do have the chrome, a little bit of pitting in the chrome there. Horn works. I got your signals, your headlights there, washers, key, and your lighter. Over here, your gas gauge. We do have your speedometer, mileage 94,693 miles, which of course is true mileage unknown because of the year. We have our speedometer, sorry, our tach here. It's a tach car. Then we got our radio here. Let's go ahead and start it while we're going around. So we'll turn the key. It fires up just like that. All right, radio even works. We'll turn that on. You hear that going there. Down here is your heating controls. We do have extra gauges here, being the SS model, so your battery, your manifold, your temperature gauge, and oil pressure. 4-speed, we got the white ball shifter there. You got a shift pattern up here, and check out this console. It looks great. We'll just fold this up. So your ashtray here, we got some extra fuses, it looks like there. We'll open this up. Look, it's all carpeted underneath. We even got a light in here that's functioning. All right, let's start. Let's give it a few revs here. It's got that big block power here. Well, let's rev it up here. I don't know if you can see, but the car is rocking from the power. Close that up. Let's make our way around again. The exhaust there, it's got a good sound to it. Nice rumble. All right, so here we have it. This is a restored 1966 Chevrolet True Impala SS Super Sport Hardtop with the numbers matching big block 396 V8 4-speed manual, painted in Ermine white with blue interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.